Okay. Please open page number 116. Tom 2 it will come. Now you see for you, Tom 2 also may come in exam. We don't know. Arey, hey, girls, please do not talk. Otherwise, sit separately. Okay, please open 116. So it is about a bus ride. So bus ride is a very common thing for us because we go from place to place by bus. We are acquainted, but for a small child, it is an adventure. Okay, so it is an adventure for a small child. For us, it is very common thing. Arey, please, hey, girls. तो otherwise, hey, don't laugh. Disturb मत करो class को. If you want, hey, नहीं, I will. देखो, your practicals are with teachers. If you create nuisance, no, they will cut your marks. ये open secret है. Please maintain. Hey, why are you traveling here? Though I am not asking you anything, I am telling you. Listen. Internal marks are purely in the hand of the teachers. If you don't sit silently, they may give you less marks. At that time, don't cry. Don't tell sir ने आपने मेरा mark काट दिया. It is a part. Decorum of the school is more important. You should maintain. School is giving all the facility to you. Okay. So it is a. So there was a 8-year-old girl. Her name was Bhali. So it is an adventure for her. So bus ride is a common experience for the adults, but for a small child, it is one adventure. So the author is writing this about a bus ride. So it is a mystery of life and death. You both of you sit separately. Okay. I trust you. Please keep my trust. I trust you. Okay. So she was not acquainted with the outside life. Generally, small children, they are confined inside the room. They don't know what is happening outside. So her first experience of a bus ride is a kind of adventure. So she was looking forward to have this adventure for a long time. Okay. So her adventure is a bus ride. It is nothing for you, nothing for me. Go to the conductor, pay the ticket, sit in the bus, and you doze. And when the time comes to get down, that is our experience. But for a small child, she is looking very interestingly outside. What is happening? How the bus is riding? When the bus is riding, how the electric poles are passing? So a cow is coming. The driver is pushing the horn. So all these are very interesting things for a small girl. So she narrates in her own language. Okay. So she sees the gap between knowing and there is death and understanding. Because sometimes if we are not very fortunate, what happens? Accidents occur. So accidents also, the child also is able to watch an accident. So before we go to the chapter, as a pre-reading activity, some words are there. For example, the words are related with bus journey. A set of passengers, gate of the bus, tickets please, a row of seats, blowing a whistle, get on the bus, platform, a roar and a rattle, showing down the crawl. So these are the words related with the bus journey. So what is our instruction to take down the? But today, tomorrow, how will you get? Today you are going. Red pen is there. Red pen नहीं red pen. Ah, very good. चलो बैठो आप. See, for this no mark is there. Your what test was conducted, that was a mock test, not the real test. The real test will sometimes in November. It was same type will come. So you are made acquainted with the board syllabus and the pattern. So suppose these are new things. You never got across these questions. English means only passage was coming. Now which is a supposition, which is a conclusion, all these things are coming. आपको जरूरी नहीं, but in record keeping it is required. I kept on the table you collected, na? Many children got it. When your turn comes, any day you bring. Give me in the first hour. This is easy. Now Monday, Wednesday, Tuesday I have class. Other days I am free. Only 6th and 7th is there. 10th is not there. 3 days Dhaka sir is taking, na? At that time you can show him also. Okay. So this is the experience of the child. I will do before 5 minutes. Okay. So now what is the visible things which the girl is able to see? Some choices are given. Okay. So the choices are reverse. So sometimes the bus is going across a bridge, crossing a river. Then sometimes roadside shops. These are very common in bus journey. When you go by the bus, these things will come. Then you see moving trains. When there is level crossing, sometimes the bus comes to a halt to a level crossing. There the bus stops. The passengers, they look out at the train. And a crowd. Crowd is natural in a bus. Okay. Now in holiday, when you go, you will be seeing the trains and buses full of people. Then green fields, markets, vehicles on the road, clothes in the shops, hills, railway tracks, trees, animals. So trees, animals, railway tracks. Okay. Hills. Oh, these things come in the when you cross the bus. Okay. So this is all. Not now. See, आपको एक मिनिमम सेंस ऑफ सेम रखना चाहिए. वो रखो. Keep your dignity with you. You are 10th class. Telling something to you, we are not feeling good. Okay. नहीं तो आपको नेत्रिका मैडम जैसा स्कोल्ड करके हरस करके आई विल टेल रूड वर्ड्स. Shall I tell? First civilian sense is keeping quiet. Okay. So there was a girl named Bhali Melai who was called Bhali for short. So the name suggests it is from South India. Bhali Melai is not a North Indian name. So the story setting was South India. She was 8 years old and very curious about things. So what about Bhali we know? Bhali was a 8-year-old girl. Okay. Curious means how do you explain curious? Page number 117 you please see. Curious means interested to know. Interested to know. Okay. So she was 8 years and she was interested to know the things. Okay, her favorite pastime was standing in the front doorway of her house, watching what was happening in the street outside. There were no playmates of her own age on her street, and this was about all she had to do. So she was a lonely girl. She had no friends. So her pastime means was a hobby. Her hobby was standing outside near the door and watching everything. Because a small child at home, there is nobody to play, no friends. So she was passing her time. How? By watching outside. What is happening outside? But for Bali, standing at the front door was every bit of enjoyable as any of these elaborate games other children played. Elaborate means long games. So because you know you will be bored. Suppose your parents say don't go anywhere, only stand here and watch outside. You will be bored. But Bali enjoyed it. It was their favorite hobby. Okay. Watching the street gave her many unusual experiences. Unusual means new, which is not usual. Unusual, opposite of usual. Usual means which normally happens. Which normally happens is usual. So it was an unusual story. Means it was because you see nowadays children don't have interest in anything. They go to market, purchase something and run. But you see in market also there are interesting things. Different types of people are coming. The way they are talking with others, how they talk with the hawkers, how they bargain. If you observe, no, there is interesting. Just you watch. Simply, if we purchase from one, you may be paying more rate. Go to 5 people, ask the rate, bargain, and this way we have to generate the interest. Nowadays, children don't have interest. Simply they go, do their work and go home. But it is a good pastime. Similarly, it was nothing unusual. But Bali found interest in the things. Okay, what she was observing outside. Okay, so watching the street gave her many unusual experiences. So you know, experience is the best teacher. What your teacher will tell, you will not understand. If you experience it yourself, you will understand better. Some people do not go to school and college, but they are very intelligent. How? Because by experience they learn. By doing only if you learn, that is the best learning. Teacher will tell, you will tell, yes, yes, you will write, get marks. But really, if you do, if you feel, then only your real pleasure comes. So the most fascinating thing of all was the bus travel between our village and the nearest town. So there was a regular bus which was plying between our village and the nearest town. So our favorite fascinating means it was interesting, interesting and new thing for Bali. What was it? Watching the bus going down. It passed through our street each hour, once going to the town, once coming back. The sight of the bus, filled each time with a new set of passengers, was a source of unending joy for Bali. Sight means see. See is verb. If you make it noun, okay. High is height. If you make it noun, like this. So making turning from one form of speech to another. Okay. So it was a fascinating thing. Hey, hey. Okay. So the sight of the bus filled each time with a new set of passengers was a source of unending joy for Bali. So Bali was very much getting very much pleasure in watching the people, those who come inside and come out of the bus. That was their everyday pleasure. So for you know, as I told you, for elders, bus journey is very boring, but she enjoyed it thoroughly. Okay, children. Okay, okay. Then you see page number 118. You please open. Okay. 118, the most fascinating was experience of Bali. What was it? There was a road linking her village to the town. So every day the bus was going in the morning. Arey. See, don't show hand to each other. I don't like. Arey, you go somewhere. Otherwise. ये तो सबका रिप्लाई है, हमने कुछ नहीं किया और सब चोर है, मुझे छोड़कर सब खराब है. ये रिप्लाई में कुछ कुछ आंसर एनी 5 आउट ऑफ द 6 क्वेश्चंस बाय. देखो ऑप्शन क्या क्या देखो. वेट देयर वाज नॉट मच टाइम लेफ्ट. आई डैश स्टार्ट. नीड टू स्टार्ट होगा, मगर मजबूत ये है क्या? हाँ, नीड मगर टू रहना चाहिए ना। नीड टू, नीड टू. Okay. Then you see the day after day she watched the bus and gradually a tiny wish crept in her head and grew there. So tiny means small. Crept means, what do you mean by crept? Entered. Okay. Are you come here. Don't sit with these girls. Laughing and talking or don't do otherwise. Out. I did not tell anybody. I told whom we found they are troubling others, so we have to tell them. Then afterwards what will happen? You will tell, sir, we are small children. आपको बोलना था हमको, इसलिए बोल रहे. ऐसे नहीं आप मानेंगे. You will be great man and women, not like that. You should not tell, sir, आपने बताया नहीं, आपने बता दिया. ठीक है. उसके बाद कुछ बदमाशी करते. There are some other agencies. We need not bother. Okay, crept entered. So by watching the bus every day, she was thinking one day that how I will also make a bus journey myself. So she wanted the wish, page number 118, 118. So it became a strong, the wish, and it was overwhelming desire. Overwhelming means which has taken care of her. So it became a desire in her to do the bus journey. She thought that, hey, you come, अरे boy, hey, what is his name? उधर मत बैठो, इधर आप चुप के बात कर रहे हो. अरे मुझे एक्सप्लेन मत करो, आई हैव आईज ना. हाँ ठीक है. टेंथ क्लास इज देयर. सी दिस इज द 10th class most delicate year, and in your years there are many changes. So changes are happening. If you are sincere only, you could get something. Okay. So the wish became stronger and overwhelming desire. Valley would stare wistfully at the people who got honor of the bus. Stare means to look. Stare. So it became a desire for Bhali to travel the bus once. So she started. That wish became strong. What was the wish? To travel in the bus once. Okay. So see, these faces would kindle in her longings, dreams, and hopes. If one of her friends happened to ride the bus and tried to describe, Bhali would too jealous to listen and would shout in English, proud, proud. So she thought that those who travel in the bus, they are very fortunate people. So suppose a friend has gone somewhere in bus. She describes the bus journey. Bhali becomes very angry. She tells you are proud because you traveled in the bus. You are showing your pride. She told. So in this way, it was a fascination, from a dream, and a longing for Bhali to travel once in the bus. Okay. So she realized, understood the meaning of the word, but they used it often as a slang expression of disapproval. Disapproval means dislike. So her friends were surprised that why, for a small thing like bus journey, she is showing so much anger. But they understood that she does not like anybody describing the bus journey in the class, because she also don't take advantage of the mask. Don't talk. Okay. We can report against you. We can harass you. We can send you outside. I don't want. You are good children. Be good always. We expect goodness from you. Okay. You are in 10th class, responsible children. Why should you scold? Small children who will teach. Don't stand like this. Don't laugh like this. So you are the grown up now. Okay. So she used as often means slang means what? We are. It is a commonplace expression. Slang means not refined. Slang, SLANG. So not refined. So she told proud. Her children, the children in the class, they didn't know English. They didn't understand what she is telling, but they understood that she sometimes does not like anybody describing a bus journey. Okay. So if someone describes, she tells proud. She thinks that because they have gone in the bus, they are showing their pride. Okay. Okay. Over many days and months, Bhali listened carefully to conversation between her neighbors and people who regularly used the bus. And she also asked a few discreet questions. Discreet means careful. Discreet. So suppose you are going in the flight for the first time. You are asking, but if you ask openly, they will laugh at you. I went in flight, so I inquired how to board the flight. They told no problem, you get the boarding pass. From where to get the boarding pass? Then you go there. Then from there you get, then your luggage will be checked. What is checking? We didn't know. So checked means your luggage will be verified by a scanner. Any metallic thing is there, they will tell you, remove that. Then how much kg you can carry, in which airlines. Then there is a door. Suppose you want to catch this flight number, go by door number 8. You sit there for hours, 2 hours you sit. Then they will open the door. Then they will tell you this PP ticket we wore. Then you went down, plane was there. All these performance paraphernalia are there. But we are new, no. We become afraid. Suppose I will sit in the wrong plane, what will happen? I will go to Madras or Malaysia or somewhere. What I will do? I don't have money. So all these fears comes. So for Bali also, going in the bus was such a question. Where I will go, where I will sit. If the bus will carry me to another place, what I will do? So she was asking secretly. Why? Because she thinks that she will ask openly. People will laugh. Hey, you don't know this much. Nowadays, people will not help. They will laugh at you. Arey, itna hi malum nahi, they will tell. Nobody will give you proper information. So Bhali was asking secretly. Okay. This way she picked up various small details of the bus journey. The town was 6 miles from her village. The fare was 30 paisa one way, which was most nothing at all. She had one well meant to say. So fare means you see weekly this buses will go. So fare means the cost of the ticket. So two fares are there. One is fare. It has two meanings. One is the village fair, and her color is fair. Means she is a fair colored girl. She is a fair colored boy. We tell fair also is village fair. Weekly market is called fair. Okay. Then FARE fair means the cost of the cost cost COST. So this is the difference in meaning fair and fair. Okay. So the cost was only 30 paisa. At that time, olden days, things were cheap. Salary was less because market value was cheap. Things were cheap. But in course of time now, 100 rupees you carry to the market by while coming, nothing, 1 paisa also is not left. Earlier, no, with less money, people were managing because rates were less. Now you go with 500 rupees, after some time, 1 rupee is also not there in the pocket. So it is becoming empty. So at that time, 30 paisa was, it was more for the people. One way fare was 30 paisa. So by going 30 paisa, by coming 30 paisa, 60 paisa was the fare from the village of Bhali to the nearby town. She who scarcely saw that much money from 1 month to the next, it seemed a fortune. So traveling in the bus was a luck. Fortune means luck. So if you are lucky only, you can travel by the bus. She was thinking. Okay. It seemed a fortune. The trip to town took 45 minutes. On reaching town, she stayed in her seat and paid another 30 paisa. She could return home in the same bus. So she planned like this: one day I will board the bus. This side I will pay 30 paisa. People are getting down, I will not get down because I have nowhere to go. So what I will do, in the same bus, I will in the same seat, I will return, pay another 30 paisa. While going 30, coming 30. My adventure will be complete. Okay. So she could return home, reach the town on the 45 and be home about 2:25. So while going, she will go by the first bus and while returning in the same bus. So Bhali has planned. So till now we knew that Bhali was a good girl. She wanted an adventure of a bus journey, but she had no courage. So she was asking for information from people. She collected the information. She knew the fare, and one day she thought that I will travel in the bus. So for her, it was a big adventure, a big kind of fortune. Okay. On reaching town, on then on went her thoughts as she calculated and recalculated, planned and replanned. So this was part one completed. Ali planned like this: how to travel in the bus. Okay. So you see, children, there are questions after the this part one. Comprehension check. Please open the notebook. Open the notebook, please. Page number
Yes, sir.
119. Open the notebook. Your notebook is here. You take it afterwards. You will give. Diagram. Okay. See, what was Bhali's favorite pastime? Who will say? What was Bhali's favorite pastime? Bhali's favorite pastime was standing at the doorstep and watching outside. Okay. So Bhali's favorite pastime was. So this is in page number 119. You please open. 119. Okay. Question number 1. What was Bhali's pastime? Bhali's pastime was to stand at the doorstep and watch outside. And to watch out, watch what was happening outside. This is proper answer. What was happening outside? Okay, please write down those who want to write. This is part one. Part one, question number 1. Okay, second one. What was a source of unending joy for Bhali? Okay. Question number 2. Asking and collecting information about the information about the bus journey. was an unending. Second one, source of joy for Bali. So asking and collecting information about the journey was a source of entertainment as well as joy for Bali. Because whoever traveled in the bus, she was asking and inquiring. Okay? Any doubt is there? Third one. See, third one. Are you, why are you going outside? No, book is not there. Okay. Second part, you see what was her strongest desire. Her strongest desire was to travel by the bus one day. Her strongest desire was to travel by the bus, or you can tell to go from her village to the town by bus one day. To travel by the bus means it is covering everything. Okay, that was the second part question answer. So see, only I told when teachers are telling you are not नहीं टीचर्स जो बोल रहे आपका अच्छाई के लिए बोल रहे दिस शुड कम फ्रॉम योर हार्ट अपना हार्ट से आना चाहिए हमें अच्छा नहीं लगता आपको बच्चे कहाँ से डांट सुने कहाँ से आ रहे सही बताऊं इसीलिए मैं आपको पहले से बोलता हूँ चुपचाप बैठो पास अब क्यों वाई somebody will why सुनना किस then you see what did Bali find out about the bus journey? So she could find out that how much time the bus takes. 45 minutes. And what is the fare? 30 paisa for going and 30 paisa for coming. And she enjoyed, she inquired. Same bus she planned. I will go by the same bus and return by the same bus. How did she find out these? Because she asked from the people who have gone by the bus, who has traveled in the bus. She inquired from them and could know this. What do you think Bali was planning to do? She was planning one day to travel by the bus and to get the experience of the bus journey. Okay. Itna likh do. She was one day she was planning to travel by the bus and have the experience of bus journey. Please write down. Then part 2 will start another day. Okay. Those who are online also, I will take the attendance. अरे प्रगति अटेंडेंस कर दो विनीता विनीत रेगार मेलविन हिमांशु बी सेक्शन का बच्चों का विनीत मेलविन हिमांशु विनिशा भारती इप्सिता बी सेक्शन का देखो 11th का 11 तारीख का हाँ करेंगे देन वी विल सी द टोटल चिल्ड्रन पहले जो आ रहे हैं ना उनका कर दो सुरुचि विनिशा इप्सिता भारती करेंगे हम करेंगे आप इप्सिता प्रिया जयश्री हाँ राइट डाउन write down wait now okay yes Jayashree Priya Priyanka विनिशा भारती इप्सिता हिमांशी मेलविन सुरुचि Once.
Yes, sir.
Okay, done. Okay, part 2 will read afterwards in another period, maybe tomorrow. And those who are writing in notebook, please bring tomorrow. यहाँ देख लो, यहाँ आएगा ना सबका. Once देखो विनीसा. प्रिया, इप्सिता, मेलविन, प्रिया.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Shruti, yes, I am giving attendance. Don't worry. ये नहीं जा रहा है क्या? इतना ही. स्क्रॉल करो. इतना ना. Okay. Okay, tomorrow you bring the notebook. Those who are online also, it will be corrected. Okay. Are take this. Keep here. Sit down. Are no talking. Hey, gun. Hey, sit down. Okay, children, we will continue afterwards.